Sundon ta lang ka ha, kundi na. Tinayhan, tultol ka pa. Din. Sa din. Pudlang ko si mo ha. Te, diin. Tuy-tuy ko. Katul-tul sa katul-tul si nanay. Tul-tul lang siya. Balo ka na kundi no. This is my cousin Alipio, who just died recently, actually 6 years ago. We have the same birthday as you see. He's 58. And this is my father, Pasiano. It's a Echeverria still. This is my the wife of Tito Amon, Aurora still. Norberto, this is my other cousin, the older brother of Alipio. And this is Tito Ramon, no? Tito Amon. Amon is still. So there are five people who are buried in this. Happy ka man nga nakabisita ka de. Look at the smile sa iyong face. I used to go here every 1st of November with nanay. Isang kamay pa ko. Ay no?